Crazy Critters, the stuffing-free flat plush toy your dog will love. Crazy Critters is a stuffing-free plush toy for dogs. This durable toy is built with pet-friendly squeakers at both ends to give hours of healthy fun for dogs of all ages and sizes. Crazy Critters introduces a revolutionary toy made especially for dogs. It provides hours of stimulating, safe, and healthy fun activities for your beloved pet. Go play fetch, tugging, and even let Buddy bite and chew into Crazy Critters in between dog training sessions without worries of tearing the toy apart, as this is designed to withstand even the toughest biting and tearing from your best chewing. Offered in two squeaky forms, raccoon and fox, you can never go wrong with these pet-friendly Crazy Critters. Other important product features include washable super doggy tough plush fur, squeakers at both ends to catch pets' attention, and great for dogs of all ages and sizes. Buddy will definitely look forward to another training day with no added fuss. So go ahead, bring home Crazy Critters, the best ever gift for your pet dog for a fun and healthy dog training ever. Learn more from http://budurl.com/crazy critters.